OpenAI just dropped huge updates to Codex, and if you've ever used AI to help run your business, this one actually changes how you work day to day. It's faster, it's way easier to use, and it fixes the exact stuff that used to make people quit halfway through a project. Let's get right into what changed. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. So here's the thing. OpenAI didn't add some crazy new brain to Codex. They didn't make it smarter at writing or thinking. That part stayed pretty much the same. What they did is way more useful for anyone who actually uses it every single day. They made it easier to manage long jobs. They made it faster. They cleaned up the whole thing so you don't get lost halfway through a project trying to figure out what it was even doing. If you run any kind of ongoing work with AI, content plans, product builds, client projects, automations that need to run for days at a time, this update is going to save you real hours every single week. And that's not an exaggeration. That's just what happens when the tool stops fighting you. Now, before we go deeper, quick refresher on what Codex actually is, because this matters for understanding why the update is such a big deal. Codex is the AI agent that does the work for you over time. It builds things, it manages projects, it reviews work, it runs tasks in the background while you're doing something else. ChatGPT is different. ChatGPT is your brain partner. It plans, it brainstorms, it writes out your strategy. The real magic happens when ChatGPT plans something out and Codex builds it and manages it for you. That combo is where the actual speed comes from, and this update makes that combo way more usable. Update number 1. Long chats are way smarter now. Before this update, if you had a long project going, the chat would get messy fast. Codex would start forgetting things halfway through. You'd have to repeat yourself over and over just to get it back on track, which honestly defeats the whole point of having an AI agent in the first place. You might as well be doing it yourself at that point. Now, Codex holds on to the context way better. It remembers what you were doing, it keeps your project organized even if it runs for days or weeks. And that matters because real projects don't live in one single day. You add to them, you come back to them a week later, and now Codex actually remembers where you left off instead of making you start from scratch every time and re-explain the whole thing again. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Update number 2, the sidebar got a big glow up. Now you can jump between your different projects, your tasks, your reviews, and your conversations without getting lost in a pile of old chats. Think about running a few things at once. One project for content, another for a client build, another for something you're testing out. Before, that was messy. You'd lose track of which chat had which task sitting in it. Now it's clean, everything has its own place. And when you've got AI agents working in the background on multiple things, staying organized is everything, because a messy system slows you down no matter how good the ideas underneath it are. Update number 3, and this one might be the best of the bunch. Reviews got a serious upgrade. Instead of manually checking every single thing Codex does, line by line, second guessing every choice it made, you can now review changes, leave comments, approve work, reject work, and ask it to keep improving until it's right. This feels less like chatting with a robot and more like actually managing someone who works for you. You give it a task, it comes back with work, and you review it like you would review anyone else's work, instead of doing the whole thing yourself from scratch every single time. Update number 4. Side chats. Let's say Codex is deep into building something for you, but you've got a random question that pops up. Maybe you want to brainstorm something small, or you just want to understand why it made a certain choice. Instead of interrupting the main job and losing your place, you open a side chat, you ask your question, you brainstorm, and the main task just keeps moving in the background the whole time. It's like talking to one assistant while another one keeps working for you without missing a beat. Update number 5 is just a bunch of small stuff that adds up big. Fewer clicks, smoother navigation, faster task switching, easier approvals, better multitasking. On their own, these sound small, almost not worth mentioning. But when you're actually using this thing every single day, these tiny improvements save you real time, and time is the one thing none of us can ever get back. That's really what this whole update is about. It's not one flashy new feature, it's OpenAI going back and fixing the friction that was slowing everyone down. Now, here's why this matters. Even if you've never written a line of code in your life, you don't need to be a developer to use Codex like this. And honestly, most of the people who benefit most from this update aren't developers at all. You can have it draft out a plan, build something for your business, organize a project, and then you just review it like a boss instead of doing all of it yourself. The model doesn't care if the end result is a piece of internal software or a simple page for your business. The same skill applies either way, planning steps and following through on them without losing the thread. That's exactly the gap this update closes, and for anyone running a business without a team of developers sitting around, that's a big deal. So let's zoom out for a second. A lot of people hear AI agent and picture something that only helps engineers. But what OpenAI actually did here was make the day-to-day experience of managing an agent feel less like fighting with software and more like running a real workflow. Long jobs stay organized. You can multitask without losing your place. You review work instead of redoing it. That's the direction all of this is heading. Less time babysitting the tool, more time actually using it to get things done. And every update like this one closes that gap a little more. So what should you actually do with this? If you've been putting off using Codex because it felt clunky or you kept losing your place in long projects, that's exactly the problem this update was built to fix. We'll open it up and actually run a real task through it, not a 5-second test, an actual project you're working on right now, something with a few moving parts to it. Let it run for a bit, use the new review tools instead of checking every single step yourself, and see how much of that workload it can actually carry off your plate. This is exactly the kind of shift worth paying attention to, because tools like this are only getting easier to hand real work to, and the people who learn to use them properly right now, while most people are still ignoring updates like this one, are the ones who are going to be way ahead in a year from today. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.